In case you don't know Ndola here in Zambia, in case you know it and you are familiar with it. So we are going to start our video from here, Subani at Many Market, and then we are going to head to Cairo station. That's where we are going to end our video there. And one thing that I want you to know is that there are some little changes about Cairo, about Subani, about the whole area. As you all know, I've been updating you to say Ndola is changing every day. So to some of you who don't know Ndola, this is the Ndola that you don't know. My love for this area, it's something extraordinary. It reminds me of where I'm coming from and the places that I've been to, the people that I've met. So I cannot do a video about Ndola Market or Ndola Mini Market or New Kapalala Market without doing a vlog about Subani and about Cairo, because this always hits in my head, and when I come to this place it reminds me of the nature of the area. The area looks overcrowded. More structures have been put across and more people around the area. It's because this area, Cairo station, has become a business place or a center of business to some people here in Ndola, Zambia. So this is something that is happening here in Zambia or here in Ndola, where when the area is overcrowded, a lot of development, a lot of people, and a lot of new structures. The real identity of many Masala's residential houses and mine Masala residential houses, it's putting across the planks for their whole fences. You can see a lot of houses have got planks. Here in Zambia, we call them ifikopa. So this is the real identity. You're going to know them to say this is this place.